If there's one thing I value, that is the people who follow me. And one of them is dear Johnny Sins. And Johnny Sins, this review is for you. Today we are at Naughty America, where we are going to experience entertainment.
So I'm Ian Paul, the CIO of Naughty America, and today we're here at CES showcasing the latest with our virtual reality technology. And we're also introducing our new AR technology. This is the brand new. It's not ready for public download yet. It will be in a couple months. But this allows us to drop a performer into your bedroom, into your living room.
All right.
There we go.
Okay. So you can see her, we can walk up to her. There she is. And we can go around her. I'll go around this way. An avatar that's, sitting in three-dimensional space. So this is the latest. We should have this app available for free. Mm-hmm. We'll have some sort of payment for getting additional avatars. Every time we scan one of these performers, we'll bring it into the app and let you buy it. So you can have that performer in your own bedroom or your own living room.
Keep your eye out, Johnny Sins.
Yeah. We are talking about the need to have a male avatar.
This is the AR, and let's talk about VR.
Our new rig is 5.6K, so much better resolution. Frame rate is 60 frames a second, which is better than anything you'll find on the showroom floor here today for consumers. And it's smaller, so we're able to take it places that our other rig may not have been able to go. Okay, so who wants to try it?
I want to try it.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna put these on just like ski goggles.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Perfect.
I love the stories.
Maybe about your surroundings.
Ooh. Woo. She dropped something from there. Oh yeah.
What environment of bedroom?
Ooh, I am really tall. It's like a documentary you see on the National Geographic. It's in 360 and it's crystal clear. It's crystal clear, and it's a lot of fun. Yeah.
I see where these are. Let me tell you, my leg is there, and my leg is there. It's incredibly clear. Oh, I switched places.
Yep.
That's incredible. It's incredibly good. Yeah, and it's really it makes. This is right. This is the perspective. This is good. I really liked it.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
I wasn't expecting it to be like.
Yeah, that good.
Yeah.
At first, it was so clear that I thought it was some sort of CG, and then I was like, but wait, no, that's not.
Yeah.
And it was incredible. Are you gonna try?
I was waiting for that moment.
Right there.
Well, so that was our visit to Naughty America, and this entire episode is dedicated to Johnny Sins. Johnny, thank you for watching my channel. This one is for you.
I love you too, Johnny.
All right, see you later.
That'll be fun.